Hello everyone, I'm Amir. I'm going to present Color Academy. This is the first scene or first screen of the game. Um, I use the splash of color to convey the colors because we are going to talk about the color. I'm clicking here, this button to enter the academy and change the scene. So enter the new scene. Um, I tried to create a realistic world, but using some sci-fi elements like a galactic to make it more fun and a bit fantasy feeling. So, the UI include the profile picture for self-location. The text is apprentice. It means that you are apprentice and you are learning. So, because you are entering the Color Academy. This is the NPC to guide you. This is how the button is to guiding you to interact with her. I'm clicking on this NPC.
Welcome to Color Academy.
The
Click on the door
subtitle.
to start your journey.
Yeah, as you see, there is subtitle for better accessibility, and you see the switch of the between states of the character. I use animation controller here. I used audio. I used lighting here. I'm clicking here and to open the door, triggering, and you see movable object. So I'm going to click here to,
Collect the
and it
ball to
guide you the
open the
game.
door.
Yeah, when you click here, it guides you. It says with subtitle and audio. So the goal is that to move through these escape rooms and learn, and these fun elements, these moving ball, and the goal is to mm, make it and through the combination of triggering and selecting them. The goal is to involve the user inside the room to spend more time and see more elements, the red guitar, the red logos, Netflix, foods. It says that red is the most visible color, is used for warning, it grabs the attention, and this is the reason that they use it by brand. So I need to collect this ball. Clicking here, the first ball is collected. Another room, the ball is moving faster, is about happiness. I'm clicking to collecting this ball again. The door is open. Before that, the door is closed, like
Collect
this
the
one.
ball to open the door.
We talked about the meaning of green color in UX and also its association with nature. I tried to hide this ball. Hello, ball. I'm clicking here to collect you. Yes, I'm moving to the next screen, next room. So this we are talking about the blue color associated with calmness and security. It's one of the safest colors for UI. The bank uses this color. Visa, PayPal, American Express, Bank of America, Chase Bank, they all loves blue. And we see this is the blue ball. It's hidden in a blue safe. We are using this to move to another door. I forgot to say I used the first screen, first person view, because we are going to. I wanted to communicate the feeling of colors, and the first screen provides more first-hand experience. Here we're talking about the pink color. It symbolizes love, romance. It's sometimes calm feeling, also creativity. The fourth like is creativity. It's in use for binding, and you see the ball is moving faster because in the first it moved to another level and became more advanced in collecting balls. The door is open. So we talked about it. We see the audios here. Every door that we open, it plays the audio, the guidance, use
To open the
audio.
door, the
We
text should
have
match the
the
color.
elements. We are selecting. We are having interactions with in the 3D or 2D worlds. We see the 2D elements later. And desktop effects discuss the impact of conflicting information. When the information doesn't, we receive two sources of information, such as we read text that says pink, but the text is written in blue ink. It confuses us and it creates delay in our interactions. And here you need to select a text that has a matching color. I'm going to select yes,
To open the door,
right,
the text
right,
should match the color.
yellow.
Should match the color.
Yes. The door is open. Uh, Also, it's evident in experience of users and their mental models. They associate the colors, the words with the colors, like the canceling because it may put the system in danger, or closing usually as red. Uploading is safer and it's associated with blue. The continue usually is green. We want to move the user towards, so the correct answer would be blue, upload. Upload should be blue. I like this last level of game. This is my favorite level. As you can see, I moved here. The system check for I have the trigger of collider of a hidden object, check the player tag, and it enabled this interface. This is for your graduation. Your task is to select a color for a fintech brand. We discussed the banking industry and also creative app for Gen Z. I showed Fortnite. So it should be easy to guess. We cannot use blue because it says you cannot use common banking app colors, and the common app bank color for banking is blue. So we need to select the right color. Let's see what happens. You need to paint the poster, but you can paint the environment too. Let's have some fun. All of them using the collision detection. No, the correct color is pink. Yes. Here is another collision in Excite Point. Yes. We are graduating. The camera is following us. You see the new panel, the UI to play game again. I also put this bus station. It means that you finished the game and this is a new era for you. And the text. The apprentice changed to the master. And yeah, thank you for your attention. I'm going to play this game again. I want to go to the coloring room.